Now, in the last video, we learned about hunger, hardships, and revolts. That means how many revolts took place from the time of 1830s to time of 1840s. Okay. Now we will see one more revolution, that is revolution of liberals. As हमने पहले ही पढ़ा था that the liberals are the middle class people. Okay, they are highly educated. They want to give away feudal dues and they want equality in the society. That is why they introduced a concept called as liberalism. Okay, how many liberalism were there? Political liberalism, social liberalism, economic liberalism, right? Political liberalism में कैसा गवर्नमेंट मांगा उन्होंने? Representative form of government, presence of constitution and parliament. Social liberalism में they asked for equality for law and right to vote. Economic में they told to remove the custom barriers और इसी में ही क्या बना? Zulverin बना, right? Okay, now let us talk about revolution of liberals. देखो, parallel to the revolts of poor, यानी poor were already revolting. हमने अभी देखा hunger हो गया था, population बढ़ गई थी, poor moved to the urban areas. They were already against the king. Unemployed were also there because job seekers were more and jobs were very less. Peasants were starving because they had to give dues. Workers also in many European countries were facing lot of problem. Hence, they started with a revolution led by educated middle class was underway. That means they started with a revolution which was joined later by the middle class. Okay, events of February 1848 in France had brought abdication of the monarch. Abdication यानी suddenly running away और monarch का गायब हो जाना. If you remember, Louis Philippe भाग गया था, right? In the first above wala para, you remember that Louis Philippe fled away. So in 1848, France left with abdication of monarch and they introduced a republic based on universal male suffrage, and a republic was being formed where only men of the age 21 were allowed to vote. Okay. And in other parts of the Europe where independent nation states did not exist, France में तो ये हो गया कि monarch चला गया, and they introduced right to vote from the men who are above the age of 21. But in Europe, they all were wanting to become nation states such as Germany, Italy, Poland, Austro-Hungarian Empire. Men, women, everyone wanted to make their country as a nation state. They all belonged to liberal middle class, and what did they do? All of them combined together and they started demanding constitutionalism. Yani they demanded that we want constitution for our nation, and they also demanded कि हमें nation को unify करना है. We don't want our nation to be divided under kingdom, duchies and all. Any doubt? They took advantage of the growing popular unrest to push their demands. Now already revolt चल रहा था, peasants का चल रहा था, unemployed का चल रहा था. So the European countries like Germany, Italy, Poland, they took advantage. जब इतना revolt हो ही रहा था तो उन्होंने कहा हम भी revolt चालू करते हैं, and then we all can achieve unification for our country. They demanded that the nation state should be created. They wanted parliamentary principles that were constitution. They wanted freedom of press and freedom of association. These three demands were given by the liberal middle class of Europe. They said that we want a constitution, we want a parliamentary system, we want freedom of press. सबसे ज़्यादा important क्योंकि कंजर्वेटिव्स ने उनका फ्रीडम ऑफ प्रेस को ले लिया था. अंडरस्टूड? दे वांटेड फ्रीडम ऑफ एसोसिएशन. दे सेड वी वांट टू फॉर्म ग्रुप्स एंड वी वांट टू फॉर्म पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज, हेंस वी वांट फ्रीडम ऑफ एसोसिएशन. ओके, नाउ लेट अस सी व्हाट हैपेंड इन द जर्मन रीजन्स. अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पॉलिटिकल एसोसिएशंस whose members were middle class professionals, businessmen and prosperous artisans came together in the city. Now because Germany, Italy, Poland, they wanted to make themselves a nation state. फ्रांस ने तो अपने आप को बना दिया क्योंकि उसका किंग चला गया, एंड दे गेव राइट टू वोट फॉर द मेन अबव एज ऑफ 21. सो दीज पीपल, तुम्हें याद है ड्यूक मेटर्निक ने कहा था, अगर याद हो तो, दैट इफ फ्रांस स्नीजेस, who catches cold? Europe catches cold. फ्रांस में नेशनलिज्म हुआ, राइट टू वोट हुआ, और यहाँ पे यूरोप में दे स्टार्टेड विद अ रिवॉल्ट, दे स्टार्टेड डिमांडिंग पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम कि हम क्यों पीछे रहे, वी आल्सो वांट नेशन स्टेट. Okay, so what happened in German regions, that means wherever Germany was been there, in those regions there were large political association, people started coming together as an association. Who were there people? They were middle class, they were professionals, they were businessmen, they were artisans who came together in the city of Frankfurt. Important hai, name yaad rakhna hai, the city of Frankfurt, and they decided to form a general national assembly. उन्होंने कहा अब हम अपनी नेशनल असेंबली खुद बनाएंगे. ओके, so what happened on 18th May 1848, 831 elected representative marched in a festive procession, यानी बहुत अच्छे से धूमधाम से, festive procession means धूमधाम से, they take their places in the Frankfurt Parliament, convened in the Church of St. Paul's. Okay, where did the Parliament formed? The Parliament was formed in the Church of St. Paul. And why it is called as Frankfurt Parliament? Because in the city of Frankfurt, these German regions declared themselves as a part of National Assembly. Any doubt? Okay, now let us see. They drafted a constitution of German nation. When they met in the parliament, they drafted a constitution of German nation, and they said that we will have a monarchy, but that monarchy will be under the control of parliament. यानी ये कैसा monarchy है? This is called as constitutional monarchy, जो फ्रांस ने सबसे पहले इंट्रोड्यूस किया था. They said राजा रहेगा, but he will be under the control of parliament. Okay. When the deputies means when all these members offered the crown on these terms, when all these members, they took the crown of the Germany, and they offered this crown to the king called as Friedrich William IV, king of Prussia. They said आप हमारे king बनो. Then he rejected it. He did not like it. कैसे होगा बताओ? क्योंकि किंग का पावर ले लिया आपने और बोला कि किंग पार्लियामेंट के अंडर काम करेगा, तो नन ऑफ द किंग विल लाइक, बिकॉज दे वर फ्रॉम इनिशियली दे वर ऑटोनॉमस, है ना. किंग कभी नहीं सुनते थे किसी की, राइट. दे यूज्ड टू टेक डिसीजंस ऑन देयर ओन. Hence, when German people did this, the king rejected it and joined other monarchs. और जो दूसरे राजा थे जो बहुत नाराज थे, उनके साथ उन्होंने जाके ज्वाइन कर लिया. And he opposed this assembly. He said, no, Germany regions will not have the assembly. Europe will not become a nation state. We cannot accept this. Okay. While the opposition, aristocracy and military became stronger. Now because king also joined them, aristocracy was also against this national assembly, military was also against the national assembly. Hence what happened? The social basis of the parliament eroded. यानी धीरे धीरे जिस बेस पे पार्लियामेंट बन रहा था, that eroded यानी चला गया. इरोजन का वर्ड है eroded. Okay, erosion वर्ड से लिया गया है. That was removed, that went off. The parliament slowly and gradually was dominated by middle class. धीरे धीरे मिडिल क्लास ने डोमिनेट करना चालू कर दिया. लिबरल पीपल में से भी मिडिल क्लास जो थे, those who were aristocrats, they started dominating. And what did they said? They said there will be no demand of workers and artisans fulfilled. And because they stopped fulfilling the demands of farmers and workers, they stopped listening. लोगों को सुनना बंद कर दिया. तो finally what happened? The parliament was completely under the control of middle class. Okay, in the end troops were called in the assembly and was forced to disband. At the end क्या हुआ? सारे monarchs ने मिलके they sent their military troops and this parliament was being removed. Disband means they were removed. Okay, any doubt? फ्रैंकफर्ट पार्लियामेंट पे इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यू आएगा, ठीक है, पढ़ लेना. द इशू ऑफ एक्सटेंडिंग पॉलिटिकल राइट्स. नाउ वुमेन वाज आल्सो स्ट्रगलिंग. वुमेन को अभी तक पॉलिटिकल राइट ही नहीं मिला. फ्रांस में द पीपल गॉट पॉलिटिकल राइट अबव द एज ऑफ 21. जर्मन में दे ट्राइड टू फॉर्म अ नेशनल असेंबली, बट वुमेन्स डिड नॉट गॉट अ चांस टू हैव देयर ओन पॉलिटिकल राइट्स. सो विद दिस रेवोल्यूशन वुमेन्स आल्सो स्टार्टेड विद देयर पॉलिटिकल राइट्स. दे हैड अ controversial one with the liberal movement in which large number of women had participated actively. Women formed their own associations, they formed their own groups. Underline कर लेना. They founded newspapers, they took part in political meeting and demonstrations. And although they, women को क्या लगा कि अगर वो national movement में part लेंगे तो उनको voting rights मिलेगी, so they started doing all these things, but still they were not allowed for the suffrage rights during the election of the assembly. When the Frankfurt Parliament convened yani when they met together at the Frankfurt Parliament at the Church of St. Paul. This is the Frankfurt Parliament. This is the image of the Frankfurt Parliament. Okay, women were admitted only as an observer to stand in a visitors gallery. That means women were not allowed to be an active participant in the parliament, and they were told to stand as an observers. Understood? यानी इतना करने के बाद भी women did not got right to vote. Any doubt? ओके नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड जब ये नेशनल असेंबली बनी द कंजर्वेटिव्स याद है ना कौन थे दे वर अगेंस्ट ऑल दीज थिंग्स दे वांटेड मोनार्की लेकिन जैसे ही नेशनल असेंबली बनी व्हाट हैपेंड दीज कंजर्वेटिव्स forces were able to suppress liberal movements. They wanted to push down the liberal movements and they could not restore their order. यानी क्योंकि उनके पास पावर नहीं थी धीरे धीरे लोग इतने क्रांतिकारी हो गए थे इतने रेवोल्यूशनरी हो गए थे that they did not respected conservative people, they did not follow their orders. Hence what the conservative people thought that we will suppress their position. किसका position? We will suppress all the position of the liberal nationalists so that हम अपनी power वापस gain कर सकें. Okay, what did monarchs were beginning to realize that the cycle of revolution and repression could only be ended by granting concession to the liberal nationalists. यानी monarch को समझ में आने लगा कि ये जो revolution का cycle है, the cycle of revolution can only be ended when you take in hand of control of liberal people. जो middle class people थे लिबरल पीपल थे उनको अगर हम कंट्रोल में ले लेंगे तो ये रेवोल्यूशन कम हो जाएगा. हेंस इन इयर्स 1848 ऑटोक्रेटिक मोनार्कीज ऑफ सेंट्रल एंड ईस्टर्न यूरोप बिगैन टू इंट्रोड्यूस चेंजेस और इसलिए लिबरल्स को खुश करने के लिए दे ब्रॉट सम चेंजेस. हु ब्रॉट सम चेंजेस? द किंग्स ब्रॉट सम चेंजेस. ओके, The serfdom and the bonded labor was abolished. तो liberals खुश हो गए, ठीक है, feudalism खत्म हो गया, ठीक है. हैब्सबर्ग डोमिनियन ऑफ रशिया में भी हटा दिया गया. हैब्सबर्ग रूलर्स ग्रांटेड मोर ऑटोनॉमी. हैब्सबर्ग रूलर ने हंगेरियंस को थोड़ा सा फ्रीडम दे दिया, हंगरी एम्पायर को फ्रीडम दे दिया एंड सेड यू कैन रूल योरसेल्फ एट सम लेवल्स. अंडरस्टूड? आइडियोलॉजी का डेफिनेशन इज इंपॉर्टेंट एंड फेमिनिस्ट का डेफिनेशन इज इंपॉर्टेंट. This source box you have to read. This is important. Any doubt? Is that clear? बहुत ध्यान से पढ़ना. फ्रैंकफर्ट पार्लियामेंट का क्वेश्चन आएगा, इमेज रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन आएगा. कंजर्वेटिव्स ने क्या क्या किया? What did conservatives do to control the liberal nationalists? They started removing serfdom, they started removing bonded labor and they granted autonomy to Hungarians. याद रखना है, important है. In the next video, I'll put the unification of Germany and Italy. Okay?